Hello YouTube, we got Craftsman V20 lithium-ion brushless Weedwacker. Let's unbox it, charge the battery, and see how it works. Let's assemble it, but before we assemble it, let's charge the battery. Let me go ahead and plug it in. Battery's charging. Let's go ahead and assemble this bad boy. Line up the holes right there. This thing came with the rod. Just insert it. It'll hold it in place. Go ahead and take off the rubber band. And then screw this in right here. It's counterclockwise. Hold the rod in place so you could tighten it up. Nice and tight. Now you could remove the rod. It just holds it in place, it doesn't move, so you could tighten it. Again, it goes counterclockwise. Should be good to go. Next, let's mount the guard. Goes right there. And the screws. Lock washer. You have to dismantle it before you can install it. I think that's good enough. There you go. Then lock it up. Excellent. Let's get the packaging tape off. All right. We are good to go. Excellent. Good to go. Press that and you can pull it out. Lock it in. Boom. Battery check, fully charged. Can't press the trigger without pressing this button first for safety. Here we go. Press. now short. If you want to feed it, all you have to do is tap it. Go ahead and start it up. And then tap it. String's a lot longer now. Anyway, that's it. Thank you. Chat with you guys later. Bye for now.